Hey everyone, welcome back to this new video. So here in this new video we are super excited to know about how to learn coding in just 2 months. And let me tell you, this is not a type of clickbait video which you probably see in YouTube. I have done that, so that is the reason I am telling you. So just remember one thing, this is not a clickbait and I have done that, and that's the reason I am telling you. Okay, so I will be breaking this video into 3 parts. So in the first part, I will be telling about my journey of coding, how I got started with that, and in the second video, I will tell you how you can get started with that, what are the resources that you can prefer, and in the third part, I will be just mentioning some of the tips and tricks that I followed in order to increase the rapidity of learning coding. So let's get started.
Welcome to this world of treasure I create for you.
Hello, now before starting this video, you should be very clear with the agenda of learning coding. You should ask a question by yourself that what is the reason behind learning? Because doing coding without any purpose is just like doing a shit, right? So never ever do something without a purpose. So just ask a purpose for learning coding. Once you get a purpose, just go ahead. Sometimes you will not get a purpose for learning, so just leave it. And you know, the whole world, I mean all over the internet, there is an talk that this digital world is going to be very large and the future is completely about artificial intelligence, data science and all of this stuff. No, and even they tell that you cannot sustain if you don't know a coding. Coding is mandatory. And what do you think upon that? Is it really necessary to learn a coding to sustain yourself in the future? Your thoughts might be completely different, but my suggestion is that, I mean my thought is that it's not completely necessary. I will tell you why. See, coding is just a skill which anyone can learn, right? You need not to have a brilliant brain over it. You should just have an interest over it. So everyone can learn. It is a skill. It's a skill. And when matter comes to the skill, there are a lot of people who have that skill. So if you want to develop something, you need not to develop by yourself. There are a lot of developers who will just develop, and you must be paying for that. And it's not really necessary. I think you should be learning coding if you want to sustain your life. You might have different dreams, you might have different interests, so just go for it. So, and even there might be a lot of people who actually want to learn coding. So this video is especially for them who love coding or who love this digital world, as if like me. Okay. Okay, before starting this video, just make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So without much of delay, let's get started. So here in the first part, I will be telling about my journey of coding. So basically I got started with coding in the first time where India got hit by COVID-19. So that was the time where I have actually got a little time to explore myself. So I thought of learning coding for only one purpose. So actually I don't know whether I should be telling this or not. See, actually I have got into a trap of a game where you should be investing, and by playing that game you are going to earn money. So I got into the trap and I have invested 300 rupees and I have lost that. So I was very curious how those companies are really earning. What is the main reason behind I losing every time and they are winning every time? So I came to know that there is a language behind that. There is a instruction given to the computer which will always make that computer to win and make us to lose. So I got very curious to learn how to do that, so that you know you might be understanding that. Okay, that brought me interest of learning coding. So as I was having a laptop with me, that was my good luck and that was my really fortune thing, because a lot of you might don't have that facilities. Many are, I feel some of the people are a lot more interested in learning these things, but they really don't have resources. नसीब पे होता है यार सब कुछ, ठीक है. तो I got started with that, and the first lockdown, in the lockdown 1.0, there I have got started with Python, because Python is one of the most easiest language which anyone can learn. Python is very easy that anyone can learn. So the sense which I am making over in this all over this video is that I'm talking about learning a programming language, not about expertising it. When you talk about learning a program, it might take a small time. It might be 2-3 months, depend upon your logical skills. But if you want to expertise it, it may take 2 years, 3 years, lot more years if you are going so deep in that. So I got started with Python. So I have preferred a YouTube channel called Telesco. I was not knowing that there are also some websites where you can learn coding. So I just typed Python for beginners. So I got a channel called Telesco. Telesco, he is an excellent teacher. I want to tell you that he is so excellent that you can never stop yourself from watching his videos and learning from him. So he's just excellent. Just go out here and check this channel. Okay, so then after I got started with HTML, CSS, then later on JavaScript. And now in the second wave of COVID-19, I have just implemented whatever things I have learned. I have just implemented, and it doesn't make a big deal because it's quite easy and it doesn't take much of time if you are a lot more interested in that. So in this second wave, I have got bit time, so that I just got implemented that. And here you can click on the I button to watch my first website, how I made it. You can just have a look over the website that I have made using HTML, CSS, and Python comes to the back end, right? So if you are very good in knowing things about coding, you must be knowing what is back end, front end, and which all are the languages you should be learning. So if you even want to know which languages you should be learning or completely about this digital world, just subscribe to my one more channel, that is Coding Family, where there I will be telling about a lot more things related to this technology and so on. So this is the way which I got started, and I have learned HTML, CSS by one more YouTube channel. I will be mentioning in the link in the description. Okay, coming to the second part of this video, I will be telling about how you can get started with that. So the resources which you can prefer for learning coding is websites and YouTube channel. I think these might be the great resources to learn coding. You need not to buy a course. There are a lot of free sources even. So you should make sure that you are learning, not expertising. Okay, so basically there, coming to the websites, we have Coursera, Udemy, and Codecademy. These are the excellent websites where you can learn coding, even being a very beginner. Even if you don't know what is coding, you can get started with these websites. These are excellent websites. You need not to have Python installer or softwares which will run this code. You will get an inbuilt thing over there, and I'm still preferring these websites to run my code because these are excellent websites where you can learn for free. And coming to the YouTube channels, for Python you can prefer Telesco and Programming Knowledge. For C++ and C language you can prefer MySurgy, and for JavaScript you can prefer free code camp. And now if you want all in one, just go with the channel named Code with Harry. He is an excellent teacher. He will teach coding and he has spent a lot of efforts on that. You will get every type of language which you want to learn. So that was the thing. And coming to the third part of this video, I will be telling you some of the tricks. Okay, and remember, these tricks are going to be very, very, very important to you if you are quite interested in learning about coding. And I am telling this with a lot of experience. I have done that. So number one, you should not, if you are a beginner, don't go out in the YouTube and search for language and learn from that. That's completely the wrong method. I am telling with my experience. Okay, that is completely the wrong method. First, go in the websites that I have mentioned, and there you learn all those things. Later on, come on to the YouTube, and in the YouTube don't again learn that, because different people have different teaching skills. In the YouTube, come and learn how a project is made. In the websites you should learn about the coding. You should just learn the programming language, and in the YouTube you should learn how to make a project. And the next third step, just make your own project. Don't see the tutorials. Tutorials is just, is just blocking your mind of creativity. You will be suffering a lot if you go with tutorials, because once you get into the trap of tutorials, you will watch lot of tutorials, but you cannot make your own websites or your own development, because you have you are being in the trap of tutorials. So you know only those things which have been taught in the tutorial. So you cannot create your own syntax, your own your own development. So you never ever see tutorials before you learn programming language in the websites. So these are the tips which I want to tell you. And one more thing, be consistent. Not just like you have learned today and you are going to learn for next after next 5 days. It doesn't work out. Be just consistent over it, and later on you will be just excellent. So those are the things which I like to tell in this video. So thank you for so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was very benefit to you. If this video was really benefit, just hit the like button, subscribe. And one more thing, do you know, unless you ask something, people won't give that. So in the past previous videos you might have seen I have nowhere asked to subscribe. I have texted it at the end of the video, but nowhere I asked to subscribe. Do you know why? Because we are in this such society where without asking you will not get back. Okay, unless you ask something you will not get back. So that's the reason I'm asking you, only if you like my videos. And okay, let's meet in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.